Hi friends, today I'm going to share a review of another product. This product has been launched in the market a few months back, and this product has a mixed bunch of reviews. But when it was launched first, um, I was so much curious to try this one, and I just wanted to use that. And right now I have put that product on my face, so you can see I have something on my face, right? So yeah, here is the product. Without further ado, you can identify, I think, right? Yeah, this is Glow Recipe avocado melt sleeping mask for moisturization and firming. And I mean, you must have heard a lot about this product, but I wanted to give you my perspective. I mean, this product has got some mixed reviews: good, not effective, effective, that kind of review. And here I just wanted to let you know that this product has uh, uh, this product has fragrance, that is, I cannot deny that. And if you're not a fragrance lover in skincare product, then you might hate it. But the problem is, for me, uh I mean, the ingredients, you can get it on the Glow Recipe website or on the Sephora website. The problem with me, I have a normal to dry skin, and my perception with the product was that it is going to moisturize my skin. I mean, according to their claim, it is going to exfoliate, but that would be really, really, really mild. But at the same time, because of lot of avocado in it, different forms of avocado, it is going to moisturize your skin overnight. uh I mean, I wouldn't say that this hasn't been moisturizing for my skin, but the way I was imagining, maybe that was my wrong perception, it was not doing that. um and sometimes I felt like, if I have used this one as a sleeping mask, sometimes I have failed after washing off with only water in the morning. I felt still I have a layer of oil on my face. And I'm not sure, I might be wrong, but the times when I used this mask as sleeping mask, sometimes I feel my pores are getting clogged. So right now, what the way I use it, I don't use it as sleeping mask. So right now you can see, I have used on my face, I have used a thick layer, but this is going to be on my face for at least 1 hour or 1.5 hours, and then I will take shower and I will clean it off. So I think, for me at least, it's a better way of use rather than using as a sleeping mask. And I mean, I don't know your experience with this product, but unfortunately, I mean, I have used another their favorite the another sleeping mask, the pink sleeping mask, watermelon one. I mean, I didn't have very much good experience with that one either. It felt like I'm putting on some kind of uh I don't know. I mean, I didn't like that, and I didn't feel that it did something on my skin, some extraordinary change, something like that. But anyways, I wanted to try this, and I mean, I wouldn't buy it again, no, that's for sure. uh, because for me, it doesn't feel that much natural or organic. from the fragrance, it is a very strong fragrance, and believe me, I don't care about fragrance. If the product is working, I am good with that. But unfortunately, I don't see any benefits of this product. And yeah, their packaging is cute. They have given you, they are giving a nice quantity, 80 ml, but still, it's not very effective for my skin. So yeah, I mean, that is why I don't think I'm going to repurchase it. I am going to finish this bottle, and you can see almost I am halfway done. Hmm, but I don't see any benefits other than my mental, uh, I don't know. Other than I'm using something with avocado, that is the best part. Other than that, I I'm not seeing any benefit. So yeah, that is my review. Hopefully, uh, I was able to make you understand what is my thought and why I didn't like much this product. And if you are thinking to purchase this product, maybe this video will help you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will come back with another product review. Till then, goodbye.